Hello, the subject of this video is the Cube Automatic Pretreatment Machine. When printing with white ink, pretreatment must be applied before printing. For best results, the user should apply an even coat and the approximate amount of pretreatment for the shirt color to be used. Because of these two requirements, it is highly recommended that pretreatment be applied with a machine designed for this purpose. Pretreating with the Cube. Start with loading the garment, press the button, and it sprays the pretreatment liquid onto the garment in about 6 seconds. As you can see, it is fast and easy to apply pretreatment with the Cube. So now let's take a closer look. The Cube pretreatment machine is a fully enclosed unit. This helps to keep your work area clean. It is a single nozzle spray system designed to give a consistent, reliable spray pattern, which is what you need to lay down an even coat of pretreatment. The Cube does not require compressed air. It's electric, so there's no need to buy and maintain a noisy air compressor. The Cube's frame is triple coated to resist corrosion, greatly improving its longevity and cleanliness. The spray volume is adjustable with this knob, which can be set from 0 to 10. It is best to use the right amount of pretreatment for the shirt color to be used. Rotating this knob to the proper number is how you get the volume set correctly. Brother provides a 4-page guide called Pre-Treat Curing and Garment Color Profiling. It is a guideline showing the appropriate amount of pretreatment for the color of the garment. The spray length can be adjusted for the job at hand. By adjusting to a shorter length when the job allows, the amount of pretreatment liquid needed for the job will be less. Hence, supply costs on that job would be less. The Cube accommodates thicker garments like this sweatshirt. It can pre-treat up to its maximum size of 16 by 20 inches. That's about 40 by 50 centimeters. It is quick and easy to clean the Cube when finished pre-treating for the day. I'll show you how Cube users do this on a typical day. The first step is to set the lever on the back of the Cube to draw liquid from the bottle of distilled water. This lever allows switching back and forth between the left and right bottle. Normally, one bottle would contain pretreatment, the other distilled water. Then hold a catch cup under the spray nozzle while pressing the cleaning button on the back of the Cube. This flushes the tubes with distilled water. Next, remove the spray nozzle by unscrewing it with your hand and leave it in a cup of distilled water until its next use. Finally, wipe off any pretreatment liquid from all surfaces, like this. The sides can be opened for cleaning. In conclusion, the Cube pretreatment machine allows DTG users to apply an even coat and the right amount of pretreatment quickly, consistently, and easily. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at www.brotherdtg.com.